we play laser tag tomorrow? I have a team set up. I need to see you guys. Dude, I'm always a sniper. We had a special ops team called Night. Hey guys. We had like so my buddy, I was head of night. We called the first song off the ball. And she wrote the lyrics and I wrote the guitar, so it would be nice. I wrote the hook. Just throw a case.
Has only made a love take over all of me. And your love, and your love, and your love has got me hitched. All I see in my mind is you and your precious soul on my way.
How can someone be so all I see in my mind is you and your precious soul and on my way. This next song is one that I wrote, and it's called Wonderful to Me. I had to think about that for some reason. Okay. Tonight, you're the one I want. Love the way you are, the way you look and walk. You're the one I'm waiting for. I am the one who wants to be, the one who's with you night and day and never leaves. 'Cause the night is still young, and the night is still young. You're so wonderful to me, so wonderful to me. So wonderful to me. Doesn't matter what I do, 'cause I'll still be all over you. I swear we're meant to fall in love. My heart's that in a knot, and it's never gonna be enough of your love, enough of your love. You're wonderful to me. You're so wonderful to me. In all that I do, you're so wonderful.